Willie, what's the matter? What's the matter, Willie? What's the matter? Willie, are you going to give some candy to the trick-or-treaters, huh? Willie, beg. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Willie. Oh, you're such a good puppy.
Guess what, Mom?
What?
Mom's little trick-or-treaters was to get out of my world.
Really?
Yep.
Do you think that Willie's helping you give out the candy? Or is she just barking at everybody?
She's barking at everybody. She's just barking at everybody.
Willie, are you just barking at everybody? Somebody else coming?
All the other ones are going to the garbage, then there's going to be the big ones here, I guess.
Okay.
Yes, and all those are going to the garbage. They're going that way, and they're going over into the garbage. Trick-or-treating.
They are.
Yeah. Trick-or-treating. That's what I didn't give her to do. I just did that for the
Somebody else coming?
I'm just watching to make sure. To make sure that I don't get any other big ones.
Okay.